So, you're trying to grow your Instagram followers? By using this method you will see growth within minutes. As an Instagram creator myself with several pages, I know it's hard to grow your page. It's hard to get your first 10 followers, but I can tell you it's just as hard to get your 1,000, even your 10,000 followers. But stick to this video and I will teach you all you need to know to gain more followers and potentially gain 200 new followers a day. I will talk about follow for follow, and before you skip or exiting the video, yes, it does work, you just need to know how it works and how to do it. Let's get into it. Follow for follow is a debate theme in the Instagram community. Many believe your followers don't care about your posts and only follow you back because you follow them. I'm here to inform you that that's not true if you know how to target the ones you want as your followers. So, the big mistake new creators make is entering other big creators, and then follow a lot of the people that are following them, or worse, follow random users. That won't work and you waste a lot of time. The chances of them following you back are also minimal. What you should do is to search for a medium hashtag in the niche you're posting. So, let's say you're into the dogs niche. Enter a medium hashtag like this one, #dogsdaily. Then go to the most recently posts. So, what you want to do is to scroll and find new posts where people just have started liking. Like this post. Within 2 minutes the post have 12 likes. Then see who have liked the post and start following them. It's just that simple. But try mainly to follow users with profile pictures that are real. Don't follow people with meme pictures or weird pictures. If you see that the post belongs to a larger user, like this post, stay a bit in the post and follow the new ones who is starting to like the post. This way you know that the users are active, and also find similar content to yours intriguing. Within a short time, you will see you're gaining new followers which are real and most likely like the content you're posting. If you manage to catch the real people, with their real users, they're more likely to keep up with your content and continue to follow you rather than a person that have an extra user that they don't use. If you haven't watched my video about instant Instagram growth, I highly recommend you watch this. The video lasts less than 3 minutes and give you 3 great tips on how to instantly grow your page. I will put the video in the end screen and also in the description. We have to talk a bit about limitations. The follow for follow method has some limitations that are important to be aware of. Following and unfollowing is counted as the same actions. The daily limit is 200 a day. 20 follows and unfollows per hour would keep your account safe and saves your account from being suspended. Be aware if you exceed this your user will be action blocked for a short period of time, often 1 or 2 days. By using this method I just explained, you will potentially grow your account with 200 new followers a day. The way I've done on some of my pages is followed accounts for approximately a week and then unfollowed them. Remember that a page which have more followers than people they are following looks more appealing when entering the page. I hope you take the time to watch some more videos. I wish you growth, a pleasure day, and I will see you in the next video.